arbitrationagreements.org. Today, we find ourselves navigating through a question that is often at the forefront of many minds when it comes to dispute resolution. Is mediation private? Let's delve into this question together as we explore the beautiful nuances of mediation compared to court litigation. But before we begin, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save you time and money. In the gentle embrace of mediation, we are afforded the luxury of privacy that is generally absent in public courtrooms. This is where mediation truly shines as a beacon of discretion and personal comfort. According to extensive research, about 90% of individuals who have experienced both court litigation and mediation prefer the latter due to its confidential nature. It is an enlightening journey where the confidentiality clause governs the proceeding, ensuring that the matters discussed remain between the parties involved. Furthermore, it has been noted that nearly 80% of mediations result in agreement, showcasing the effectiveness of this approach. In a peaceful setting, parties are encouraged to communicate openly, without the fear of public judgment or scrutiny. When we think about the court processes, we are often reminded of the formal and sometimes impersonal interactions. Mediation, on the other hand, is known for its flexibility and the personal touch it brings to conflict resolution. By opting for mediation, we are stepping into a realm where our voices are heard, our concerns are addressed, and resolutions are crafted with mutual understanding and respect. As we venture forward in fostering harmonious relationships, let's keep in mind the privacy and the personalized approach that mediation offers us. In a world where privacy is valued immensely, it stands as a gentle giant, guiding us toward resolution with grace and dignity. Do you need more information about mediation? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process ASAP. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Countless companies and individuals utilize our mediation services to handle claims in a controlled manner through cost-effective solutions. If you're interested in doing that, we are standing by. Also, what do you think about the private nature of mediation? Do you like that confidentiality is paramount to the alternative dispute resolution process? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.